Simply 2 presents How to Be Likeable. You should definitely watch this video all the way to the end if you want to learn the secrets of being likable. The first secret is to listen first, then speak. Nobody likes someone who keeps on interrupting their sentences. Would you like it if someone kept on telling your friend about, say, your trip to Disney World, and then someone else kept on interrupting your story, like, OMG, did you go to the Comet? The roller coaster ride was so awesome. You know, one time me and my family rode some M&Ms, and suddenly the conversation shifted from your trip to their trip. Nobody likes that. So listen first, then speak. The second secret is to not hog the spotlight. We all love hogging the spotlight all the time. People that are concerned with getting attention and don't care for others may miss a chance to connect or be of service to other people. The third secret is to focus on who's in front of you. Ditch your devices and focus on whoever is in front of you. When you're telling a story, or anything really, you would want people to pay attention, right? Imagine this. You're telling your story and then you ask your friend a question. They don't respond. You see that they are too busy fiddling with their device. Were you even listening? You ask them, huh? They ask back. So they weren't even paying attention. A good quality of a likable person is that you can pay attention to your friends. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the very end. See you later.